So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, and then you can see this is search button. Then enter model number of the motherboard in the search box and then hit enter. Then click to product and click title of the model number. Click on that. After that, click on the support. So guys, so first select your operating system. Windows 10 and 11 both installations process same. Chipset driver, extract AMD chipset driver and just click to download. It is completed, just open. And double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. And it is closed, means this is installed.